cuz?
Cuz.
What are you, cuz?
That's like how people
Cuz.
down south call their cousins.
Okay, guys. Hey, guys. What's up? We're at Target.
Target.
New rap just created.
Target.
So we're gonna go shopping.
Target to the T.
It looks like it's late outside, but it's only like 5.
It's only like 10.
No, it's 5:45.
6. Mom, stop being so exact.
Can you say 5:45?
Clock. No.
Can you say
Quarter.
5:45?
My family
Can
is
you say
crazy.
5:45?
Quarter to 6. Quarter. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody around us is like, what the heck?
Are you okay?
They're like, is this a guy full of mental
Did you say, am I okay?
patients?
Come on, let's go.
Okay, I'll see you guys when we're in there. Literally me fishing for Jama. Okay, so I built a fort in my room.
Alex?
That was cute. That's actually scary. I would not want to sleep
Alex?
that.
Where are you?
Come on, Alex. Alex couldn't find
What's
what
all
he
we
wanted.
looking for?
Nothing. Got her pajamas. What do you?
No, not this one.
When I show Mom,
VR, Shmeon, Poopy
we should get this
Yes.
Hey,
to whack Mom over the head. What?
This phone
Oh,
carries-
they probably have thingamajigs here.
Oh wait, Mom. They have this tiny tactics of like building
Oh God, this is so
Yeah.
let
boring.
me go look at the phone.
You know, Mom, like the tiny mom.
My mom thinks I'm gonna buy her stuff.
The peel off ones. I'm reading.
These are all peel off, so I'm getting all these. Not sponsored. Alex thinks they're cute. Alex wants to use them.
No, honey, you can get.
No.
Why were you getting those expensive ones? Look at these. These are all.
I want them.
It likes expensive.
Yeah. Fine, I'll find another one. Mom, that guy was just sleeping over there.
Actually, Mom,
Mom, that guy was like sleeping on that
you
thing.
have to stop at home before you guys go to where you want to go
We're not going. Call Daddy. Oh,
to. Our whole come.
cold.
It's really cold. It's only like 6. It's gonna run me over. It's only like 6 something and it's
Hi,
already
Mr.
freezing.
Borzillo. We're finally
I'm
heading
so
home.
cold.
These kids are exhausting. What?
Well, I'll just leave you tomorrow.
What would you like?
Well, I'm leaving
to
tomorrow,
eat?
so
I don't know.
All right, 8.
I'm not really hungry,
It's not really hungry.
which is an unusual thing.
He already.
God, I'm actually
I got
so.
got 3 guys.
Oh, it's warmer in here.
5 guys.
Ugh.
No,
No bun.
no fries or anything. We just had little burgers for lunch.
Guys,
I
look.
know, that's what I said.
It's that
done.
outside, and right now it's 6:23, and
Going
it's
out,
still.
then drop me out.
Alex like the moon.
We're not going out anywhere. Yes, honey.
Alex thinks they're always.
No, that was. We did that.
I want to paint my nails today. I'm probably gonna paint my nails today.
He said, Ralph. No, I'm not talking to you. But
Oh my God. We're not talking
Talk
about
to me
me.
about.
But I'll. What are you gonna get? You gonna buy something for me?
Yes, I'm asking you.
No.
What do you want, babe?
Well, I was gonna say, if you're at Five Guys, pick me up a burger.
I'm no
You're not
longer.
there anymore?
No, I just came out of Target.
All for Dad.
Okay, you're down in that area. Let me think.
Lighting.
Salad. You know,
There's
stuff I
that.
like, the spinach and the kale salad and the
No,
broccoli
we have to
salad.
go to work.
I'll text you what to put in. I'll text you what to put in. I'll text you what to put in it, and get me a large soup.
I
The
dropped it
chicken
twice.
noodle soup or the
Doesn't matter though.
Italian
I'll
wedding
turn it
they have
off.
in both.
Oh.
This is
Oh my god, guys.
Why?
So we are
And
coming
they're
at
not
it.
checking those cars or anything.
They're not checking cars. They're just
Paroling the area?
I don't know what they're doing.
No, there looks like there's an accident down there.
Where? All I see is
Okay, so guys, we just got out of the Target and we're just like coming back, and all of a sudden there's just like
I can't move anywhere because of this guy.
these random people are just getting out of the
I can't
car,
see if there's an
and these
accident.
cops are trying to like.
Or maybe there is an accident over there. I don't know. I can't,
Yeah, some
Who
drunk
are those
doofus
guys?
is driving.
can't tell what's going on.
I think those 3 guys over there are
What
drunk.
about 'em? What are they doing?
Why'd they get out of their car? Should we get out of the car?
The world is
Okay, yeah,
a
so
very
we just got out of the
confusing
Target.
place.
And all of a sudden there's literally just like cops out of
We
nowhere.
can go. We can go.
Really?
Let's see. I
So
wanna
out of
see if
nowhere,
I
there's
see the
just, like-
problem.
There's just like cops out of nowhere.
Let's
Just-
see if it was- oh, here's an accident.
I'm like, where's the accident?
Right here.
I don't see.
Look at this genius. He hit the car dead on.
I don't see it.
I see it.
Where?
Am I going? Am I not going?
So,
Okay.
Oh my god.
wait, I don't see it.
Going.
Ooh. Wait, I don't see it.
Going.
Ooh, that was really bad.
Pop's getting frustrated with mommy because mommy's
Hey guys, right now that was scary. Right now I'm in a bathrobe because I just came out of the shower. As you can see, my hair's all wet. But right now I am ending the vlog. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe. And if you see that bell down there, click it and you will get notified every single time we make a video. And if you don't see it, get your phone checked. I'm just kidding. But tomorrow I will be posting. Today it's just today the other day there was a car crash. It was really bad. I don't know if I got it on tape when I was editing it. I didn't really get it on tape because when I was switching the camera as my mom was driving, she drove fast not to hit the other cars, and so I couldn't really get it. But there was that, and then we went to Wegmans, which I didn't shoot because apparently you're not allowed to shoot in Wegmans. So I had to turn off the vlog camera, and then we went to Target first, and yeah. Tomorrow's gonna be really fun. Not really. Just gonna be vlogging while I come back from school. Maybe while I'm on the bus. That should be fun. So, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.